Hi friends, you're welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm showing you the very coated peanut recipe that made my first 1 million naira for me. And on this channel, I share food videos and food business videos. So if this is the kind of videos you are interested in, please click that subscribe button, become my family here, become my friend here, and turn on your notifications so that you know whenever I post a new video. Back in 2017, I got a job with a tobacco company and I was so excited I got that job. That job at that time was paying me 70,000 naira with a WAEC result. I had a master's degree then, but that was what I could get. To tell you how well the job was paying me as a WAEC holder. But months into the job, I became unhappy. I felt I was trapped into that job. Like the long working hours in that job was affecting me mentally, like emotionally. I became unhappy. So I knew I could not continue with this job. So I started looking out for something else I could do. Already, I was making chin-chin and supplying just on a low scale to some shops along the road as I go to work. So, but I knew I need to quit this job for me to be happy again. So, looking for what I should do. Already, some people were asking me, don't you make coated peanuts? Some of these my customers will ask, don't you make peanuts? Don't you make peanuts? And that question stuck with me for a long time. And also, being that personally, I love coated peanuts because in just few hours, I can eat many containers of peanuts. I was like, I think there's a huge market in this business. So that was how I started looking for how to make coated peanuts. Back in 2017, I started watching videos on YouTube, but then I could not see the video that gave me what I was looking for. You make the peanut, they will not come out smooth. So I kept on trying and trying until I got the recipe that I'm using today. And this recipe is what I'm about to show you in this video. So watch this video to the end. So grab your pen and your paper, grab your popcorn, even though we are making peanuts here. Grab your popcorn, grab your pen and paper, and watch this video from start to the finish. I don't want you to skip any part of this video because that part you skipped may be the part where I shared important secrets that made this recipe successful. Start by breaking some eggs into a bowl. And making sure not to allow eggshell into the eggs. Whisk the egg until it is well combined. There was a guy who stayed in one hotel. He stays abroad, but he visited the hotel, bought the peanut and liked it. He became my personal customer. Whenever he flies into Nigeria, he will have to call me personally and order a lot of peanuts that he will travel back with. Even when he doesn't come back, he will send his driver to me to buy and send to him. That was how good this peanut was selling. And you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss any part of this video. So watch it from start to the finish. And please, if you got value from this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share it with every peanut lover, share it to every entrepreneur you know. Then go ahead and add in your salt, your sugar,
through space till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to say things that were old for me. I was just still like a question. Universe in the shower.
Your milk. And finally, I'm adding one secret ingredient that boosts the flavor and the taste of this peanut. which is this coconut flavor. So combine everything together, and when you have successfully dissolved your sugar and everything, go ahead and coat your groundnuts or your peanuts to your desired size. Please, I have one favor to ask of you. Share my videos, please. Give my video a like, share it with every peanut lover, share it with every entrepreneur you know. Share it. What this does is that it will make YouTube to keep recommending my videos, because on this channel I will keep sharing nice and good I will keep sharing valuable food business videos that you can start, you can try out. So watch this video to the end. If you are new here, please subscribe, and I welcome you to my channel. You're welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome also. Thank you so much. So back to my story. I found this coated peanut recipe, and this recipe back in 2018 made me my first million naira. I made my millions. Then so many people were not into peanut business. Then that was when I made my first million, because people were so in love with this my recipe. They were so in love with this peanut, up to the extent that my hotel customers, even when I put to bed, they will be like, "Madam, you made our customers insult us. You made us look as if we're not serious with our business."
I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loop. Gotta hit on this loose, innovations in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in the vinyl set. Talk slow on the street, yeah, vibe like water, I change the shift, but
Cut your peanut to your desired size, and once that is done, you go ahead and fry your coated peanuts until they are golden brown in color. One thing my customers loved and could not resist about this peanut is that the color of the peanut is always beautiful. They couldn't resist the color, and that is what made my peanut to stand out. They always asking me, how am I able to do it? The color is not what they see. So I do light brown, golden brown, light, not too brown, and they were loving it. So go ahead and recreate this recipe. Let me know, come back and let me know how it turned out for you. And please continue to share the video, continue to like, comment, share the video. And I appreciate all your likes, all your comments, and your subscription. Thank you so much, you all, and may God bless you, and I will see you in my next video.